Create an air-cooled exchanger or air cooler datasheet can be just like 1, 2, 3. 1. Open this magic Excel workbook. 2. Click buttons to select your simulation software and the air cooler to report. 3. An air cooler datasheet is ready. In this video, I will show you how quickly you can create an air cooler datasheet from ProMax, UniSim, and Hysys. Let's duplicate the blank table first. To import Hysys, simply click the button. Yes, select the cooler you would like to report. You have the options to choose either English or metric unit. After clicking OK, the datasheet for Hysys is ready. UniSim is the same way. Click the button. Yes, select the air cooler you would like to report. OK. The datasheet for UniSim is ready. ProMax is the same way too. Click the button. Yes, select the air cooler you would like to report and choose metric unit. OK. The datasheet for ProMax is ready. Thanks for watching this video. More useful tools can be found at engineeringtoolbox.net.